Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube banner in Canva. So for you to create a YouTube banner in Canva, you have to make sure you log on to your account in Canva, or if you don't have an account, just create an account. After that, then you log in your account, then you should have something like this on your main screen. This is the home page of the Canva. You can see right from home, this is the home page. Then once you do that, then you click on this, the search bar at the top, then you click on it. Then you just then type in YouTube banner, YouTube banner, YouTube banner. Then you search for YouTube banner. Then right here, then it will load have some Canva template and you can use for banner. You can see they have many of them. They have many. You can also search. You can also click this, search all the content, or you can search for Canva template, but this should cover up for what you need. These are ready-made template by Canva. So what we're gonna do is that we are gonna pick one and edit them. Then if your Canva account is a pro version, then you have no problem, because most of these templates right here, most of them they are paid template. You can see this particular one, this tech review. This is paid template. This is also okay. This is free, so let's keep on this. Let's use this as an example. Okay, this is also okay. This is free, I guess. Then you can see this is the kind of template we want to use. Just want to customize it to look like exactly what we want. So we click on this customize button. We want to hit on the customize button. It's going to take you to the studio where you can edit it. You can see this is it here. It's even of the source size. We have the page 1, then the page 2. So let's start with the page 1. So right here we are going to edit this. So let's click on it. Once you click on it, then you have an option to edit your name. So I'm going to put in my channel's name, which is the YouTube channel, so which is Twoguysfinance. So I put in Twoguysfinance. You can see Twoguys. It's okay like that. Let's just leave the remaining one. So Twoguys. Then satisfy running cookies and professional training, which is not the purpose of the channel. It is for educational purposes. We make videos for educational purposes and help people solve their problems, get loans, updates, and more updates about stuff around the world. And we make it on a YouTube channel for more information. That is the main reason for the channel. I'm going to put that in here because I don't want to waste more time. So let's say you want to edit this, just click on it there. Then we have options here. You can edit your template. So let's say this particularly, if I want to increase the size of this, I can increase it from here. If I want to change the font, you can see just click in. Then we have list of font. This is the default font for this particular template. You don't feel like using this particular font, we have many fonts in there. You can also pick your text size, your text style. If you want heading, if you want some heading, just pick from any one of those. Then also, if you want to highlight, if you want to bold it, if you want to italic, if you want to underline it, if you want to space it, if you want to add space, this letter spacing, this is how it works. Once you drag in, it creates space in between the letters. And also, if you want line spacing, that is, if you have this line spacing works just in case you have two words that is overlaying each other. Once you drag the line spacing, it will create space, and if you drag it in, so it will contrast the space. You drag it out, it will release the space. That is the work of the line spacing. Once you click on it, also let's say you want to add a logo. Maybe you want to add your Instagram handle, your Twitter handle, your X handle, or probably your thread handle. Just come to this element, then right here you can search for any particular element of your choice. Let's say I want to search for Instagram. You can see this is Facebook logo right here on the recent search, but I want to search for Instagram. You can see Instagram icon, just search for it. Then to bring out available icon, you can see. Then you can search for more. See Instagram, some have paid, some are pro version. You can see this particular one. This is pro, this is pro, this is pro, this is free, this is pro, this is pro, this is free, this is free, this is pro, this is free. Almost every one of those icons there. We have many more. This is for blue stick. See the account is verified. This is love button, the like button. This is also free. So I'm gonna pick anyone. The next one I found. Okay, good. Let's go back. Okay. So I'm just gonna pick this particular one. I'm gonna pick this. Is this like Instagram? Okay. So I'm gonna drag it in. Just drag it in there. You can easily resize it. Then place it somewhere. Yes. So around here. Anywhere. Depends on you. Then you can customize the size. After that, then you can add text. You can simply use it. You can add text. Once you do that, then once you have text, just add the text font. You can see add a text box, just click on it. Then the text box is either, you can see then right here you can put your Instagram handle, name, or you want to add anything related to the Instagram icon, you can easily do that.